To unlock your iPhone without passcode, if you forgot your iPhone passcode, then here are the process. If you enter wrong passcode, then iPhone unavailable, try again 5 minutes. First it will available, try again in 1 minute, and if you again enter wrong passcode, then it will available after 5 minutes. So tap on screen, tap on forgot password, and iPhone reset. This iPhone is in security lockout. You can try your passcode again in 5 minutes, or you can erase and reset this iPhone now. Your all data will erase. Start iPhone reset, tap on it, and all your data will erase from your iPhone after resetting your iPhone. If you forgot your iPhone passcode, then tap on start passcode. Otherwise, try again in 4 minutes, and your iPhone will reset and all your data will